I recently finished reading the book, Put Your Heart in Your Mouth. The author of this book is Dr. Campbell McBride. Dr. Campbell McBride is a medical doctor. She is a neurologist, a neurosurgeon, received a graduate degree in human nutrition, and ran the Cambridge Nutrition Clinic beginning in 2000. She works with people with mental disorders, people with immune disorders, as well as digestive issues. And I read the book to learn more about coronary heart disease. And that was really informative because as you learn how coronary heart disease develops, you can take steps to mitigate the risk factors in your own life for developing this disease, which can be fatal in many circumstances. So I will definitely include it in my book review, so check that out as well. But what I want to focus on right now is a conclusion she wrote on page 119 of her book. And this conclusion that she wrote very succinctly articulates my entire philosophy around health, fitness, well-being, and healing in the body. Now, the truth is I didn't come up with these ideas on my own. I have this philosophy as a result of listening to and reading literature written by scientists and doctors and very educated people. And that's how I now have come to believe what she also wrote in her conclusion. And I want to share that with you because I think it's really, really important to reframe the way we think about health to allow us to achieve the best quality of life that we can. Okay, Mother Nature gave us perfect bodies, miraculous creations which we probably will never fully understand. Our bodies have complete power to keep themselves healthy, to repair any damage and heal themselves. It is your own body that heals you, not your doctor. It does it quietly without your knowledge and as long as you allow it to do so. Every time you put processed food in your mouth and expose yourself to pollution, you give your body a message. I do not respect you, I do not love you, and I do not care for you. This kind of message will have far-reaching consequences for your health, both physical and mental. Unfortunately, a large percentage of the Western population gives exactly that message to their bodies every day. We pollute our bodies with processed food and myriads of chemicals, and we use and abuse our bodies with our modern, self-indulgent lifestyles. When the body becomes ill from this abuse, it starts calling for help. So you get pain, stiffness, inflammation, and other symptoms. This is the only way that the body can let you know that it is in danger, that you are doing something wrong to it. But instead of listening, we go to the doctor and get drugs to stop the pain, to stop the inflammation, and to stop the other symptoms. All these drugs do is tell the body, stop calling for help and suffer in silence, so we can go on destroying our health without being aware of it. Someone clever once asked, if you destroy your body, where are you going to live? Nature will always win. As we humans conquered epidemics of infectious disease, we replaced them with epidemics of man-made degenerative diseases. Heart disease, atherosclerosis, cancer, and other maladies kill more people per year than any infection ever did. We created these epidemics ourselves by adulterating our food and polluting our bodies with man-made poisons. So that's just something to think about. Everybody has their own philosophy about how to be well, how to be healthy, and I find that this one is very effective in so much as it requires me to take responsibility and accountability for my own health and recognizing what I'm doing on the front end that may or could result outcomes of disease on the back end. So she ends with a paragraph that is very hopeful, and so I want to share that with you. The good news is that there's lots of information out there. I know it can be difficult to wade through and figure out what's accurate and what's not so accurate. But I encourage you to keep positive on your journey towards health and well-being. And I hope that you will use this conclusion that I've read to you today to think about and see if it can help you pursue health and healing in your own life.